So hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm gonna unbox the Redgear Cloak gaming headset. So make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and comment down below how is the headset, and make sure to follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, and join my Discord server if you guys want to talk to me. And make sure to like and subscribe guys, because many of you watch the video and you just go by watching this video, you don't like and subscribe. So see this graph, so not subscribed is very much. So let's increase the graph of the subscribed people other than these not subscribed people. So make sure to like and subscribe. I am also fulfilling my promise. I said each week I'll upload a video, so I'm going to upload that. So you also guys support me by liking and subscribing and commenting and telling how is the video, and if you guys want to tell me something or you guys want to suggest me something, so you can tell me in the comments or on my social medias. So let's begin the video. Let's unbox this Redgear Cloak gaming headset. Let's begin. So let's go guys, let's unbox this these Redgear Cloak headphones. So let's go. First of all, we have a 3.5 mm jack, we have ear soft cushioning, we have the game detectors, and on the back side we have the some specification: rated input power, maximum input power, impedance, sensitivity, we have the channel balance, we have the phase, we have 50 mm drivers, interface, cable length, we have 2 meters cable, so you can easily sit away from your system or your PlayStation or your phone or your desktop to watch movies and all. You have the mic frequency range 100 to 10 kilohertz, and mic type is omnidirectional. By mistake, if you have kept your mic not near your mouth, so it will then also record your mic sound. So the size is 230 into 180 into 100 millimeter. So this is the Redgear Cloak gaming headset, quantity 1. The MRP is written here 1799, but I got less because of the Amazon mega sale. So yeah, let's open this box. I know this box is shabby and this type of, because it came from Amazon and it came like that only. Let's open this. So first of all, let me break the seal. So I have removed the seal of the box. So let's open this box. So first off, we have the main headphone wrapped in some paper like stuff. Let's keep it aside. Let's see. Oh wow, we didn't got a manual. First time it happened. I bought a thing and I didn't get the manual. I'm so happy. Thank you, Redgear. So let's keep the box aside. So let's unwrap these headphones. As soon as we unwrap these, we get the main headphones and the wire. Let's keep this polythene. We have nothing else inside. We get these headphones now. So it has a metal. Let me remove this first. Yeah. So guys, I have removed the plastic covering on this. We have a metal headband. Under that we have a soft foam where our head will touch, and we have very big sized this ear, these headphones, because according to my ear this is so big. So we have this microphone. It is, we can turn it in any direction. This is not detachable. We have some Redgear branding here. We have the RGB lights behind. I'll turn on and show you. We'll do the mic quality testing and sound test. So the foam is so thick and soft, so this will not pain your ears, and it is a bit heavy and light, both, like it's in the middle. It's heavy also, it's light also. So here we have the volume rocker, so we can decrease or increase the volume from here. And I'll show you the cable. This cable quality is so good. I like Redgear products, that's why only, because the cable is so good. It cannot be cut. This is the stuff of this wire is so thick, so this will not cut or break like other wires. We have the USB port for the lightning RGB lights of the headphones. We have a microphone jack for the a microphone, and we have a headphone jack for listening the sound of your device. So these three ports are good for PC. For phone and laptops and consoles, we need a audio splitter for to put the microphone and the headphone jack in it. And that, because some laptops and consoles have one jack only for the headphones and these things, so we need audio converter. It's on Amazon. It's, I think, 100 or 50 rupees, like that. I bought it offline, not online. So let's test these headphones and turn them on. So guys, as soon as I plugged in these headphones have these RGB lightings. Let me dim some light and you will be able to see these RGB. Maybe now you can see these RGB lights over here near the logo branding and this circle. On the other side, we also have this colorful branding. When you keep it with your setups, turn on your RGB lights and all, it looks so classy and good. So this is very good. And if you want to buy these headphones of Redgear, the Amazon link is in the description. But hashtag this video is not sponsored by Redgear. We have a light on the microphone also. So let's test this mic and the sound quality with my PC. So guys, this is the sound from my new headset, Redgear Cloak Gaming. So tell me and comment down below how's the mic quality of these headphones. Do tell me in the comments down below and tell me how's the mic quality. And this is not my camera's external mic, this is my headset's microphone. I'll not edit this microphone audio. This is a raw audio clip. So tell me, comment down below how's the audio clip. So yeah. So yeah guys, this was it for the unboxing of these Redgear Cloak gaming headset. So this was it for the video. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below how was the video, and tell me how is the sound quality and how is the mic quality of these headphones. I loved this mic quality, and but the sound quality was okay, because in this range of headphones the sound quality is good, but it could be better. But it does not support 7.1 surround sound, and it has 2 meter wire length, and it has 50 mm drivers. It does not need a application on your device to control it. You just need to connect and it starts working. Follow me on my social media, follow me on my Instagram, follow me on Twitter. I'm mostly active on my Instagram, and join my Discord server also if you guys want to talk to me. Many people have joined me on my Discord and they are chilling with me, so make sure to join. Take care guys. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye. Stay safe guys.